Hey guys, we're here at the North Carolina Zoo. I'm an educator here. My name is Brooke, and today I'm going to share with you some sensory bins. This is the one that we have here at the zoo. We called it a touch safari because I kept everything in here, African one day. But here we have some newspaper as our filler, but we changed this out. You can use sand or whatever other material that you have. We had some cool ground up corn cobs that actually made a really fun texture, and it wasn't very messy. We really like that, but we don't have any more right now because we had to clean it out. So in here we'll have fun things like some fun textured balls, wicker balls, other cool stuff. Something I like to do to make this item something more appropriate for other ages besides just smaller children is I make it more objective with giving them goals to reach. So here I made a map. I'm going to use a rock from over here so you guys see it better. Otherwise the wind's going to move it around. So I made this out of some puffier paint so you can actually see the ridges and they can feel the ridges if they need to. And then in here you would hunt out those items. So this one's a little wood cookie. This one is not on this map. I'll look for something else. I made this one the easier one. I have another map here that's a little bit more difficult. Here we go. We got a chicken. I was going to match right there. And I like doing ones where you can make, a very complex item like this and then make it two-dimensional. And then that one goes there. It's just fun to think about things in a different way, different shape, This one, it's a little, piece of bamboo. Right here it looks like a donut. And it fits right there. This is a fun way just to, kids love to complete the task. So they love running up here, just filling up this, and it might give them a sticker, something fun to praise them with it. And have other little babies that would just jump in here and play around for a long time. So I wanted to show some easy ways for you guys to make one of these at home. We like making ours out of a plastic bin, so we put a lid on it and just put it away for later. So I made some temporary ones here. You see we got some pom-poms. That's out of some cotton balls if you guys don't have pom-poms at home. We have an ice tray to help with some fine motor skills. You could pick up a pom-pom of a certain color, match it to its other color here. There we go. We got little cups. We got little spoons to scoop, things to stir. I even put some bells in here so you got some noise. Also, I got these really cool puzzle pieces. So you can make puzzles, more interesting. You guys have done them over and over again. But now you have to search and find the pieces for the puzzle so you put it together. There we go. This one's got like 6 pieces to it. So got those ones. And then this one, you want to be more nature friendly. We have a nature bin over here. We got some lambs here. And then we got some sand and some rocks, some really smooth rocks, some lichen, some crunchy leaves. So, we got the sound in there, you got the smoothness, you got some weeds, some shiny leaves, and it's also soft on the other side. Just really trying to engage all the senses. And another way to do that is we have some herbs. So this is rosemary, and it's got little flowers on it, and it smells really good. And we got some sage and some thyme. That way you encompass not only the sense of touch, but also the sense of smell as well. And you could do that with these ones as well. You can get a pom-pom and just put some, vanilla on here. Maybe got almond extract. Just kind of fill these up with some smells. That way it's not just a touch experience. Hope you guys learned a little bit and had some new ideas for your own sensory bin. And I look forward to seeing y'all and see what you guys come up with.